What it is, what it do. You already know. Once again, I'm back for you on some money making shit right now, right? Check it out. Let's get into it real quick. I'm gonna recap how to get your image. Alright. Get your image, how you crop it, send it to your Cricut, whatever you want to call it, and make your little project there, huh? Alright, first thing first, let's go to you go to Google, Safari, whatever you got. Type in, let's go Raiders, right? Raiders. Boom. Alright. Raiders, logo, let's go logo, PNG. Bam. Alright, open that up there. Alright, here's one right here. Let's try this one here. You get it, click it, hold it, and drag it into your picture folder, your photos. Boom. Alright, there it is. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and close that. Close that. New project. Open up your new project. That's on your Cricut right here. So your little Cricut app. You go to your upload. Upload image. Browse. You're going to go to your photos. There's your image there. Boom. Alright. You got your upload. You're going to go to complex. Continue. Now make sure you got this wand right here, not the eraser. If you click on the eraser, you're going to go and erase it. Alright, let's go back. Take that off there. So make sure you're on this wand. So then you want to click all the white areas and make sure they're checkered like that. Alright? White. You want to get everything that is white, because that's what you're going to cut out. All of this here. This. Everything that's white. Now if you hit that black, look, that's what you don't want. So just go back, redo it. Alright. Hit all your white. Alright. There we go. Apply. There it is. There it is there. Okay, you want your cut image, not your print then cut image. This is a whole different program, different. You got to use a printer and shit for that. So we're going to go to cut image, upload. There's your upload right there. So now you got it saved. Once you got it in here, you could just come in there and hit it. You ain't got to try to create it, nothing like that. Alright, hit your upload, add to canvas. Make it as big as you want. So you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are all inches, right? So you want to scoot this to the corner. We're going to put it on a black t-shirt. So you want to go, let's say, we'll go 8, 9 inches. Alright? That's how big the 8, 9 inches, that's how big the image is going to be. That's going to cut it. And you're going to put it on the t-shirt. So you're going to go up here to make it. Now this is very important. This right here fucks up everybody all the time. You've got to mirror it. See right here? Mirror it. Watch the image. Boom. See it? Watch. Back. Boom. Regular. You want it mirrored so it prints it out backwards. Because once you weave it out, you're going to have to turn it over and put it on your t-shirt to heat press it, right? So continue. Alright, you want to make sure that your Cricut is set on vinyl, because you got different settings. It says paper, vinyl, leather, different settings. So you want that on vinyl. You've got your shit already loaded up, right? Now all you do is hit okay, you got your mirror, got it there. Now you're ready. Lights blinking, it's ready to go. So now this is the important part here. Okay, just like in that Cricut where it showed you image and you make it as big as you want, you know, your 7, 8, 9 inches, right? Well, it's got the same numbers right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever, how many inches, right? And you got your material, right? So you're going to cut it the size, maybe an inch bigger. I always do an inch bigger, half inch to an inch bigger than what I put it on the actual screen, right? Now, this is very important. You got a shiny side, see that? And you've got a dull side. It's like a dull matte looking, right? You want that shiny side facing down, right? Down on the mat. So it's going to be like the dull side is going to be facing up. So it's going to be like that on your mat, right? Dull side. So when it cuts it, you weave it out, you turn it over, this side's going to be on the t-shirt, and that's what's going to press, heat press to it. Alright? It's very important. I fucked up many fucking vinyl shit. A lot. Because one, I forgot to fucking put the vinyl the right way, and two, I fucking forgot to mirror it. So it fucked it up 2 times, you know what I mean? Fucked it up because I put it the wrong way, and then I fucked it up because I didn't mirror it, and then I go and redo it, and, you know, I put it the right way, you know, the dull side, matte side, face up, you know what I mean? The right way to cut, and then I go in a hurry, put it in there, and I forget to mirror it. You know what I mean? Then fucked it up. Because when you take it off, your whole image is backwards. So if you have lettering in there, and you don't mirror it, when you go to put it on a t-shirt, instead of saying Hernandez, it's going to say Hernandez, you know? Or whatever. If instead of saying Raiders, it's going to say Raiders. You know what I mean? Alright. Very important. Alright. Once you got that blinking light on right there, that means you got to go. So you got to make sure that it's in there. That little, let me show you. Right here, it's got to slide underneath there. And pushed up all the way up against those wheels. Watch it. Watch it suck it up. See how I pulled it in? Okay, this is where some people fuck up too. When I first started, this is what I did. If you don't push it all the way, right? And you go and you click this, watch it. It didn't move. So when you go to cut it, your cut is all fucking way off, all fucked up. Alright, so just push it back. Push it all the way up against those wheels. Push your button. Suck it up, right? Now you're gonna have this little C blinking on like that. That means it's ready to go. Just go ahead and click that. It. Let it do the work. And like I said, once you got that image saved, like I've got it saved now. Now all I gotta do is just cut the vinyl, put it on there. You know what I mean? Take that off, cut another one, however I want. You know what I mean? I don't gotta go and try to create that image anymore. I've got it saved now. So now it's at work. And all together, you know what I mean? I mean, it probably takes about, maybe about 10 minutes. 10 minutes to take make a shirt, you know? Sometimes faster. I mean, as long as you got everything set up in proper place and you're not trying to record a video, you know, that's pretty quick. cutting away. See, just let it do its magic. And there's another button for the speed. You can actually make it go faster. Alright, that's it. Now it's telling me to go ahead and take it out. So watch, you push it, it releases it, right? That's it. So now we get to weaving. Now this is the other fun part here, right? Let's go ahead and take it right here. Do this here. Let's see if I can get this set up so. Alright, let's get to it. Now the weaving part. So sometimes this is a little time consuming, but the bigger the picture, the image, the easier it is to weave this stuff out here, you know. Alright, ain't nothing to it but to do it, you know what I'm saying? You know, and you can cut this smaller to the right size, you know, so you're not wasting so much material. This is just a quick video so I can show you guys how to start getting that money, making that money. Alright, let's go ahead and get this in here. Yeah, the smaller the project, the more the pain in the ass it is. Like I said, the bigger the image though, it's pretty simple. And then you can see the cuts. Let me see if I could yeah, I don't know if you can see it with this camera here, but I could see where I need to weed it out and where I don't need to weed it. The thing I like about this though, it's cool because once you're done, you know, you've created this, you know. I mean, yeah, you copy the image, but there's some times where you can actually do your own projects, you know, if you want to, if you don't got the time and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and let's do, let's see here. Here, and usually it only takes about, I don't know, sometimes it only takes like 5 minutes, but because I'm recording it, it's a little more difficult to try and show you guys, you know, as I'm recording. But that ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Show you guys how to make that money. Quick little hustle, you know, and this machine's only you could do this from your phone. You get the Cricut app, you can do it from any smartphone. But the machine that cuts it, you get them at Walmart for 200 bucks. The heat press, like I said, you can get them for 8-in-1 that do mugs, cups. I mean, it does it all. And t-shirts, you know. You can pick that up for a couple $100. So about $500. Shoot, that's with equipment, t-shirts, vinyl, and all that. You can have a little side hustle, business, whatever going, you know. So let's get this here. Sometimes it's therapeutic, you know. Gives you a little relaxation time. But like I said, you get into the little smaller projects, shit, make your fucking blood pressure go high and you be cussing like a motherfucker and you be agitated and make you want to quit and shit. Okay, see, you got a couple little deals there, but that's all to it there. That's it. We're about done. I got a little piece there. See that? Alright, we got another little piece here. This is the little weaving part. Now that you get image saved, all you gotta do is just tell the computer, send it to your Cricut, and cut it. So check it out. Now that it's weaved out, get it here. All right. Peel it off. And bam. So let me show you what it's gonna look like. You put it on a black t-shirt. Get that t-shirt real quick here. Alright. Okay, now so this is just how to create it, how to cut it. You get the black t-shirt there. All you do is, of course, you'll put this on the heat press. You'll heat all this wrinkles out and everything. Takes like the air out and stuff like that, you know. And what you do is just set this image on there, like so. See that? Bam. And then you heat press it. You heat press it, and that's it. And the heat press takes about 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 max. You know, and I'll go over that in a whole nother video. I'll show you guys, you know. If it don't look good, too good in the black, you know, look at, let's try this color here. You can put on the white, the blue. Get your t-shirts on wholesale, you know what I mean? I'll show you guys all of that, but by the time I'm done with all my videos, you're gonna learn how to start your own business. Check it out. Side hustle. Raider Nation. Raiders. Raiders. Alright, you guys just like to subscribe. Appreciate you guys' time. Like I always say, learn from everyone, follow no one. Unless they're doing good, you know what I mean? Like this, go ahead and copy, follow, do whatever, you know? So just hit that like one time. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll get you guys on your way to making some cash. Late.